Hi, I'm Helen Reavey, founder of Act+Acre. Does the product look okay? Our co-processed stem cell serum uses apple stem cells to help reduce hair thinning, scalp dryness and hair fallout. The stem cell is applied directly to your scalp after showering on cleansed hair. And it comes with this cool little button and pipette. Press the button like that and release the button. Voila! Through your parting, you're going to do 1 to 2 drops, maybe 3. 1, 2, 3. Do the same on the other side. So I'm using probably about 3 to 4 pipettes for the whole scalp. Make sure you get a little bit around the crown area and back. It helps fight against sun damage and pollution. It's so nice and hydrating and so smooth. Actually, you can even put it all over your face. So once you massage that in, you're going to style your hair however you like. Your scalp is going to feel super hydrated, relaxed, and it's going to feel like you just left the salon.